What's up, y'all? In this video I'm going to show you the damages that have been done to the apartment where we're living, and I have an excuse. I was working from New York's office this past week and the commute is taking forever. The commute has been really hard on me, so I would leave shortly after 7 in the morning and I would only get back home at around 8, closer to 9 probably. So this apartment has practically been abandoned by us. So no one has touched it after work. And you know how it goes, you wake up in the morning, like you just trying to hurry and get ready, and then you come home at like 8 or closer to 9, and then you basically have 2 to 3 hours of free, quote unquote, free time before you need to go back to bed and it starts all over again. So I mean, we literally abandoned this apartment. So this is me on my day off, having a little bit of time to do my laundry and do all the dishes that have accumulated over the past several days of us just existing. Also, I'm watching this and I'm realizing I've just been yapping on the phone this whole entire time that I've been doing dishes. I'm still yapping on the phone here, no one's surprised, but for me it's like the best type of therapy is when I have to clean but I can talk to someone simultaneously. And here I am going back and forth to the laundry room and then the bedroom to carry the freaking load of mine and my husband's laundry. This was a heck lot of laundry on that day.
What the dog doing?
Okay, this GoPro is not doing my body any justice. I look like a midget with a big, huge ass, and I really hope it still lands. I really hope it still lands. Otherwise, what am I doing with my life? No, literally, this is terrible. Well, I guess this is the downside of filming yourself when you're just doing the most random things in the world. I don't even know why I'm doing this, to be honest, but sometimes I like watching videos like that, so I figured why not? But then I'm watching this right now and I'm regretting some of my life decisions, let's say. You can look at how much freaking trash we have accumulated over freaking 1 week. There's this big freaking huge trash thing that I'm just refilling here. There's like 17,000 other bags there. Holy cow. I don't know how two people, mind you, can accumulate this much trash in like such a short span of time. What are we doing to the environment? It's so funny. I'm like making this video right now and I think a lot of it is just, I'm like, well, how am I living my life? What am I doing? Why am I cleaning so slowly? even though this video is on like 100 speed. But yeah, I don't like this video. I don't like it. Fun fact, we do not have a vacuum cleaner, so if there's any like dusting, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, on the floor and rugs that I can do, I have to use this thing here, and it's kind of awkward because why the frick do we not have a vacuum cleaner? I don't know, but actually maybe I do know. So we were like trying to move kind of, and then we realized we were not moving, and then we, I guess, thought about it's complicated, but we never like got to the point where we bought the vacuum. And I think yesterday I texted or called my husband. I was like, I think we need a vacuum. This is ridiculous, because we have a whole carpet in the bedroom, and like there's no reason we shouldn't have a vacuum cleaner. So well, yeah, we don't as of now. So here's me doing that, and here's a little Swiffer. What is it called? I don't remember. But this is the best invention of the freaking universe. When I was a kid, my mom made me hand wash the floors in their apartment where we lived in. Holy cow, I'm still traumatized. I'm deeply scarred from that. So this thing, shout out to whoever created this, because my mom would have a heart attack if she saw me cleaning floors like that, because hand washing the floors is like the standard in my household, like where I grew up in. Oh, by the way, if you weren't scared enough by all the things that I've shown, here is our closet. So 3, 2, 1. Yep, this is probably the worst room in our whole entire apartment. And this is me trying to fold. Oh, by the way, I've already went to the gym. Like in this part of the video, I've already gone outside, went to the gym, ran, whatever, came back, washed my hair. So I look a little differently here, but it's the same day. It's just a few hours later after the gym and everything. But folding this and putting everything away it's probably like 40% of the improvement to what our closet looks like, because I think if we want any progress on our closet, everything needs to be like burnt. Everything needs to be set on literal fire, and this way maybe our closet will look a little bit better. But even though after I cleaned and folded everything, it's just not, I don't think it's ever gonna look nice. By the way, 85% of things in this closet is my husband's clothes. My husband has a disproportional amount of clothes from I don't know where, why, how, and when, but he does. So, and you know what's happening when a male owns the majority of clothes in the closet. It's never going to be good. But anyways, here's the final product. Here's our bedroom all nice and clean, and here's the closet that kind of not looks terrible. Here's our bathroom. And me filming on my GoPro that makes me look like a toad. And here's our little kitchen with 3 towels on the stove, of course. And the living room and our little work desk station. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this nonsense video, and I hope this made you never want to open YouTube again. Thank you!